What's the meaning of courseware? Courseware. Courseware.
Courseware. Courseware. Courseware refers to the educational material used in a course or training program, typically presented online or through other digital media. It encompasses a wide range of materials including text, images, audio and video content, and interactive elements like quizzes and simulations. The purpose of courseware is to facilitate learning and help students gain knowledge and skills in a particular subject or field. It can be designed for self-paced study or as part of a structured curriculum. Overall, courseware provides a flexible and accessible way for people to learn and expand their knowledge base.